In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own website using Base44 via Chrome in just a few easy steps. No need to worry if you're new to web design. I'll guide you through the process and show you how user-friendly this tool can be. So, let's dive right in. First, fire up your Chrome browser and log into your Base44 account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up on their platform before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Here, you want to focus on creating a new project. To do this, look for an option to start a new website project. You can choose to begin with a template or, if you're feeling creative, start from a blank canvas. Templates can be a great time saver and offer you a solid design foundation, while starting with a blank page allows for full creative freedom. Once you've made your choice, it's time to build your site. Base44 utilizes a simple drag and drop interface, making it easy for you to add various elements to your website. You can bring in text, images, and even interactive features, all with a few clicks. Simply drag the elements you want to include onto your page and drop them where you want them placed. This is your opportunity to think about how you want to organize your website to provide the best user experience. After crafting the basic layout with your chosen elements, you'll want to customize the aesthetic aspects to align with your brand. You can adjust the layout, tweak the colors, and select fonts that reflect your brand ethos. Consistency is key. Select a color palette and font style that best represent your brand to keep the visual elements cohesive throughout your site. This personalization helps in defining your website's identity and makes it more appealing to your target audience. Next, it's crucial to set up the basic pages of your website. Consider adding an about page to share your story, a contact page for people to reach you easily, and a services page if you're offering specific products or capabilities. The choice of pages depends heavily on the site's purpose, so think about what your visitors would want or need. Before you publish, it's important to see what your site looks like from a user's perspective. Base44 allows you to preview your site on both desktop and mobile platforms. This feature ensures that your website maintains a professional and accessible appearance regardless of where it's viewed. Finally, when you're satisfied with the design and functionality of your website, it's time to go live. With a click of a button, you can publish your site for the world to see. Be sure to do one final check to ensure that everything is running smoothly and looks good on all devices. And there you have it. With Base44, creating a professional website is not only straightforward, but also an enjoyable process. Happy designing, and I can't wait to see what you create.